Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be changing a unit top for one of these ice merchandisers and explaining everything I do in this whole process. Now, I have already taken the old unit top off, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting this brand new unit top right here on it, and I am going to be putting it on it, brazing everything in, okay, pulling a vacuum, adding refrigerant, all of that. Now the first thing I'm going to do is get that new unit top out of its box. I'm going to clean this up a bit, okay, and once I get the unit top on here and this cleaned up a bit, I'll be back. Okay guys, what I'm doing now is I'm brazing. What I had to do is cut the unit top up there. Okay, that's what it looks like. And I had to cut me out a copper line. Okay. And I ran it from here to over here. Okay, this thing already has a filter dryer in it. So the only thing I have to do is get the capillary tube, stick it down in there. Now all I gotta do is braze it in there. You know, pull a vacuum, put Freon in it, see what it does. So that's pretty much yeah, I also set a timer so I know how much I've put in on this. I also got some zip ties I put on these wires right here. So that is what we are going to do next. Fan motor. Guys, I'm getting the old fan motor and I'm putting a brand new one on here because it's locked up. Already got the blade off and everything, and put the brand new one on. So this thing's been having a whole lot more issues than what I thought it was going to have. So guys, so pretty much what this is me brazing back here. I brazed the part here, here, and right there. We are currently pulling a vacuum on the system to see if it'll have the freon. Remember, this video isn't a tutorial on how to do anything. It's simply a vlog of me working on it. We had to do a lot of wiring right here. I had to do a lot of rewiring. We did, and I had to put a brand new plug-in on it as well. Put a brand new fan motor, fan blade, and a safety guard on it. So we've done a lot of work to it, and I'm going to start posting videos of tutorials of me actually, once I get me a camera, to film me actually changing the fan motors, doing different system checks and stuff. So this was just a video of kind of showing you what I do every other day, etc. I've also worked on these two ice merchandisers. Added refrigerant to this one, and this one needed a little bit more, so I added a little bit more. Like I said though, I work on these ice merchandisers a lot. So I want to start posting videos how to work on them and kind of what I do to them and stuff. This is just simply showing you what I'm going to be working on in the future, what I'm going to be posting about, because it's going to be about these merchandisers, heat pumps, mini splits, ice machines, all of that. I'm eventually going to be posting. But I'm going to start off with these ice merchandisers. No. Yeah.
HVAC, heat and cooling. I've been doing it going on, this coming January, will be 4 years. Still coming up. Okay? Leave the cover off of it.
I'm going to. This thing is a block of ice.